Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I want to talk about the local, absolute max and min. So now I want to show you how to answer. For example, we have the interval from A to B. The local that is about this point here, and this point here. The absolute value of mass, so that should be about the highest value in here, and absolute mean, that is about the lowest value cone here. So this is about absolute mass and absolute mean, and this is the technique how to answer the question. So the first thing I need to put about f of number 0 gone here. So we have number 0. We put to be gone here. That is about number 0. So for the next one, we need to find first the derivative of the function. So we have 2 sine x cosine x. Later that we put this one equals to number 0. That means sine x equals to number 0 and cosine x equals to number 0. Because we put this one equals to number 0, so that means this one and this one equals to number 0. So we have s equals to cake b. So cake belongs to integers. And the second one, that is about b over 2 plus kb. So we need to find the value of s between this one. So for this one, that should be about s equal to number 0, b, and 2b. This one, that is about b over 2. And we put k equals to number 1. So we have 3b over 2. If k equals to number 2, so we have 5b over number 2. So because 5b over 2 is bigger than 2b in here, so we need to reject this one. And now I will put about f of b go in here, and we got about number 0. So the next one, f of b over 2. So we put b over 2 gone here, and this one we have number 1. And the last one, that is about number 1. So in this situation, we have 5 locals, because we just find 5 solutions in here from first derivative. And the next one, this one, that is about absolute mass, similar for this one. This one, that is about absolute mean, similar for this one. and this one